How to change the currency on SHEIN application. So let's start. First open the app and then go down here and click on this Me icon. Next, click Settings. And here you can change currency. You can choose from these currencies, but don't forget, if you change your location, there will be another currencies available. So I'm gonna show you how to do it. So if you go back and click location, now my location is Australia. So if you put probably like for example Japan currency, and you can see there are a lot of like more currencies available for you. So if you change it to, I don't know, America, yes, okay, you need to sign in again. I didn't know that, so just join with the Google. Just give me a second. And now if you go settings, currency, yes, you can choose like different currencies again. So this is how can you change the currency, but don't forget, if you want some specific currency, you need to change your location first. So this is how can you do it. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button. If you want to support this channel, please subscribe, and see you one click later. Goodbye.